So next topic, transport phenomena. Transport phenomena. Okay. So what is the transport phenomena means? So when we have applied the kinetic theory of gases, when the gas is in equilibrium state, when the gas is in equilibrium state, but if the gas is not in equilibrium state, we have the following three cases: viscosity process and conduction process and diffusion process. Viscosity, when the gas is not in equilibrium state, then we get three processes: viscosity, conduction, comma diffusion. Okay. So when we apply kinetic theory of gases, then gas is in equilibrium state. So but when if the gas is not in equilibrium state, we get viscosity and conduction and diffusion. So in that, what is the viscosity definition? What is the viscosity definition? So here viscosity definition means, how to get viscosity process means the component of a velocity, the components of a velocities means u comma v comma w, u comma v comma w may not have same value in all parts of the gas. Velocities are not same in all possible directions. This will result relative motion of the gas layers will respect to another. Now the layers moving faster impart or transport movement of the slower moving layers to bring equilibrium state. This gives rise to the phenomena of viscosity. So viscosity process due to momentum. Viscosity proper, we get viscosity process due to momentum. Next, conduction process. If the gas is not in equilibrium state, we get viscosity and conduction also. So what is the conduction means? The different parts of the gas, may be different temperatures. The different parts of gas having different temperatures. So now to bring the equilibrium state, the molecules of the gas will transport kinetic energy from regions of higher temperature, regions of lower temperature. So this gives conduction. So this is due to temperature. So gas is in not equilibrium state, then we have in different layers, we have different temperatures. So that layers will bring equilibrium state to bring temperature from lower to higher and higher to lower, then we get equilibrium state. So in that process we get conduction. So last one, diffusion. So here the different parts of the gas may have different densities. So here having different momentums and here having different temperatures. So here having molecules have or gas have different densities, then we get not equilibrium state of the gas. Then number of molecules per unit volume. Now the bring equilibrium state. The molecule of the transport mass from regions of higher density to lower density and lower density to higher density. Here mass will transfer from lower to higher and higher to lower. Then we get density will change. Then we get diffusion process. So what are the transport phenomena? Viscosity, conduction and diffusion. So in that, what is the viscosity process? Viscosity of gases. Viscosity of gases. So here we have diagram in 3 dimension, or we take any 2 dimension geometry. In that, this is one layer and this is another layer, and consider AB. A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y. So this is the middle layer, this is the upper layer, and this is lower layer. So the distance from middle layer to upper layer is lambda, and middle layer to lower layer also lambda. Then here u is the velocity. U is the velocity. Then here u plus lambda into du by dy, and here u minus lambda into du by dy. So here we have to find the viscosity coefficient. Here we have to find the viscosity coefficient. So here we have to consider, from the diagram we can say that let a gas flow over a horizontal surface OX. Let a gas flow over a horizontal surface OX with a velocity small as compared to the thermal velocity of the molecules in the direction OX. Next, then velocity of layer in contact with the surface is 0 and it gradually increases. We move up from O on Y direction. So the rate of change will increases along OY direction. Next, here we have to consider layer AB. Consider layer AB at a certain distance from OX. At a certain distance from OX. So this is the AB layer. Consider with a distance from OX, and let U be the velocity with which the gas flows in this layer. So here U is the velocity of the gas. U is the velocity of the gas. So further consider two layers CD and EF. After we have to consider two layers CD and EF. CD is the upper layer and EF is the lower layer. And these two layers with same distance from middle layer is lambda. Next, the layer above AB exerts a tangential force on the layer below AB. So this will act some tangential force to downward layers. And the coefficient of viscosity, the coefficient of viscosity neta of a fluid is defined as the tangential force for unit area per unit velocity. Gradient between the layers of the fluid, that is F equal to neta du by dy, and from this neta equal to, we can write F by du by d. So this is the viscosity coefficient. How to define viscosity coefficient? The coefficient of viscosity neta of a fluid is defined as the tangential force per unit area per unit velocity gradient between the layers of the fluid. That F equal to neta into du by dy, that implies neta equal to F by du by dy. So here the molecules of the gas above AB have greater velocity. So here we have greater velocity of flow and hence possess a greater average momentum. So here flow of molecules velocity is very high, so that we get momentum also very high. Now due to thermal negation, some of the molecules above AB will be AB will move downward while some molecules below AB having smaller average, AB having smaller average momentum will be moving upward direction. So here some molecules will moving downward direction with momentum and some molecules will move upward direction with momentum. And there is no mass motion in y direction due to the advancement of the gas. The number of molecules moving downwards must be equal to number of molecules moving upward direction. So here we have to observe one condition. Here molecules, some are molecules moving in downward direction and some molecules are moving in upward direction. So both the molecules number is same. Downward direction molecules number and upward direction molecules number is same. So therefore, the layer AB experiences a retarding force in the backward direction, while the layer below AB experiences an acceleration force in the forward direction. So due to this reason, we get viscosity. Due to this reason, we get viscosity. So here we should consider and we should remember the molecules will have their first collisions, the first transfer of momentum. Suppose that 1/3 of molecules are moving, 1/3 of molecules are moving in each of three directions, in each of three directions parallel to the three coordinate axes. 1/3 of molecules will moving in all possible three directions, x comma y comma z. There will be equal number of molecules traveling in the upward and downward direction. So n by 6 molecules, n by 6 molecules, n by 6 molecules are moving upwards, are moving upwards and equal number of molecules are moving in downwards. N by 6 number of molecules will move upward direction and n by 6 number of molecules will move in downward direction. Next, so here consider C bar is average velocity of the molecules and hence the number of crossing unit area per second. Either number is n C bar by 6. Next, taking m be the mass of the molecules, m be the mass of the molecules, the total mass crossing unit area of AB per second either side is m n C bar by 6. Okay. Here n by 6 is the molecules will moving upward direction, C bar is the average. Next n C bar by 6 crossing one layer, and this is taking m be the mass of the molecule, then total mass crossing unit area of AB per second either side is mn C bar by 6. Next, So the velocity of the gas, the velocity of the velocity of the gas in layer CD equal to U plus lambda into du by dy, and the velocity of the gas in layer EF U minus lambda into du by dy. Next, here U is the velocity flow of gas along AB and du by dy. U is the velocity and du by dy is the velocity gradient in the direction from CD to EF. Du by dy is the velocity gradient in the direction from CD to EF. Next, the momentum carried downwards by the molecules crossing unit area of AB per second from the plane CD is given by P1 equal to mass into velocity, momentum P equal to m into v, momentum P equal to m into v, then P1 equal to mass into velocity, then P1 equal to 1 by 6 into m into n into c bar into u plus lambda into du by dy. What is the mass? 1 by 6 into m into n into c bar into u plus lambda into du by dy. Next, similarly, momentum carried upwards, P2 equal to, this is for downward and this is for upward, 1 by 6 into m into n into c bar into u minus lambda into du by dy. So one is for upward direction and one is for downward direction. One is for downward and one is for upward. What is this value? Momentum value. Already we know that momentum P equal to m into v. Momentum P equal to m into v. So from that we can write here P1 equal to mass into velocity and P2 equal to mass into velocity. Okay, ma'am, this is clear. Next, momentum. Total momentum or momentum difference we can write P1 minus P2 equal to 1 by 6 into m into n into c bar into u plus lambda into du by dy minus 1 by 6 into m into n into c bar into u minus lambda into du by dy. So here 1 by 6 into m into n into c bar into u, here this value and this value is minus. So one is plus value and one is minus value. So both the values are get cancelled. We get only this term and this term because here minus into minus plus. So 1 by 6 into m into n into c bar, and so this value and this value 2 lambda du by dy. We get 2 3 just 6. Then here only we get 3. 1 by 3 m n c bar lambda into du by dy. Lambda into du by dy. So this is the momentum change. Momentum change. Next, under steady state condition of flow of the gas, transfer momentum per unit area second as equal to the tangential viscous force between the layers. So this value, momentum difference value equal to, we can write F. If equal to, here we get 1 by 3 mn c bar lambda into du by dy. Next, here we have to write the viscosity coefficient. What is the viscosity coefficient? Neta. So neta equal to F by du by dy. So already we have F value. What is the F value? 1 by 3 m into n into c bar into lambda into du by dy. by du by dy. So du by dy get cancelled.